So last week at an art space in New York City, we got a chance to, go see the unveiling of the Honor 8X. Now, usually we would get a chance to get some hands-on there, but we didn't. It was behind glass. A few days later, one showed up in the mail. So we're gonna let you know our initial thoughts on it as we're going through the motions of it, and as well as let you know what you need to know about it in regards to specs and features and whatnot. So the 8X has a lot to bring to the table. So we have a 6.5 inch full view display with a 2340 by 1080 resolution. It's pretty much mostly screen. You have a zero chin at the bottom with a notch up top, so it gives you pretty much 91% screen to body ratio. It's powered by their new Kirin 970 processor, which is equivalent to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835, as well as their GPU turbo. So this is supposed to be great for all day battery life, and as well as handling intense gaming or anything else you would do on a smartphone. It goes up to 6 gigs of RAM. The one we have is 4. Up to 128 gigs of storage. Ours is 64. Both storage options are expandable via micro SD. This one's running EMUI 8.2 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. On the back, you got dual camera system. They have AI involved here, so this has a 20 megapixel on one, and another one's a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. On the front, 16 megapixel selfie camera, Bluetooth 4.0, not 5.0 unfortunately, headphone jack, but you do have a nice 2.5D double textured glass body that, it looks great in the light. It adds a bit of heft to it without making it super heavy. Unfortunately, no IP rating behind that. And then a massive 3,750 milliamp battery. The 8X has some tricks. So their screen is certified by TUV Rhineland for blue light reduction in both sunlight and nighttime. So that means this screen is made to be easier on your eyes. So of course, you can go on options and tweak with it and make it to your liking as far as just how you want the colors. You want them warm, you want them cool, and all that. But the screen, the screen is great. That's a good thing to have. Got AI implemented throughout the device to help you from everything from low light camera and a night mode, as well as switching to find the best health towers for you to make the best call. So that's as far as we got. So we're going to be running through our testing and follow up with a full review for you. October is just getting crazier and crazier, but it's a good time to be a techie, right? We'll definitely update you with the pricing and availability. It may not be in video form, maybe in a description below. In the meantime, let us know what you want to cover in the review for it. Thanks for being here. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate it, and see you in the next video. Peace.